Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
And welcome to Notary Educators with Kimmi. How's it going? Guys, let me cut this heat off. I'm so sorry. The heater is so loud and it's really cold, so let me cut this off though. It'll cut off in just a second. All right, here we go. So welcome again to Notary Educators with Kimmi. I am Kimmi, your number one notary educator. If you can't hear the heater, it will cut off in just a moment. I was live the other day talking about field inspections. That's why I am wearing my high vis today. This is part 2, so you can see and what high vis is. I talked about it in the video. I wanted to follow up on field inspections. There we go. That way I don't have to scream. Hey, welcome everybody. So I'm Kimmi, your number one notary educator with the number one notary mentor program where our notaries are doing the thing, okay? If you've not heard about it, I'll talk about it a little bit later in this video, but I also want you to check out the website, notaryeducatorsllc.com. So anyway, we're talking about field inspections. Field inspections, again, welcome everyone. If you are not doing field inspections, you are leaving money on the table. Even as a notary, you don't have to be a notary, but notaries are often chosen to do this type of work because of our trustworthiness. If you're not making $50 an hour, you need to be watching this video. If you're not making $50 in 30 minutes or less, you need to be watching this video, okay? Because it's real money. Some people may say, well, $50, that's nothing. But $50 times 2 is $100 times 30 days is $3,000. Are you making $3,000 a month? Are you making $100 a day for less than 2 hours worth of work? So let's just get real. If you're not making $50 per hour or less than that, you need to be watching this video, okay? Hey, Levester, you're not. Right, you need the insight. So that's what I'm going to talk about today is field inspection. Okay, again, I started the other day, but the signal was so bad that it just cut me off, okay? So I'm wearing my high vis today because I completed a field inspection. And I do field inspections as a couple parts of my business. So let's talk about what is field inspection for those of you who may be new. I'll give you a company that I love working with. I usually try not to name drop here on my channel because when I first started my YouTube life, I had a company say, we didn't ask you to advertise for us, but I don't think this particular company minds. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. I'll just say it once. In case they do, I can bleep it out. Okay. So let's talk about field inspections. So when it comes to field inspections, you don't have to have a high school diploma. You don't have to have any special training, not any special education, okay? You just need to know what to do, how to talk the lingo, which is what I teach you, and how to actually execute one with correctness so people will want to work with you, okay? So when it comes to field inspection, some different places that I go to are car dealerships. I go to homes, I go to businesses. It may be that they want me to go to a business to make sure that it's a legitimate business, that it's open. Okay, as I mentioned in my video the other day, they want boots on the ground. They need somebody to go say, hey, this is a legitimate business. So they hire me or they'll hire you. Okay, so that's why I'm wearing my high vis today so you can see what it looks like. And the reason I recommend you wearing high visibility is because sometimes I do these at night. It's not often, It's not often that I do it at night, but sometimes I do. And when I do, I want to make sure that people can see me. And even in the daytime, I wear my high visibility because I want the neighbors to know who I am. Why are you at this property? Why are you taking pictures? Okay. So that's why I wear high visibility, and I recommend that you wear it. Okay. For those of us who are custom to notaries just stamping documents, there's a lot of things that I do in my business. This is just one of many that I do. I do ink fingerprinting, apostilles, general notary work, loan signing, and field inspection. Okay. So I want to give you a couple more tips about field inspection. So when you're out in the field, though, you want to make sure you are taking good pictures. Okay. Take good notes. So these are the things that are going to make companies want to work with you. You got to make sure you don't have to have the best camera, but you do need to have a nice quality camera. And most of our cameras today take great pictures. So you want to make sure your pictures are nice and clear. So these companies will definitely send you more work. And when they send it out, the other thing I love about field inspections is that it's not immediately that you have to go to the assignment. So again, if you're not making $50 an hour, if you're not, why aren't you doing field inspections? So we're going to pause here. Boom. How many of you are doing field inspections that are watching? Put a 1 if you're doing them and a 0 if you are not. 1 if you are doing field inspections, 0 if you are not. Let me see. Lavester says no. Let me see. Lavester says no business lately, so feeling defeated, but plan on joining your group. Okay, Lavester, let me tell you for real. And I'm not just saying it because it's my group. My group is doing some amazing things. They really are. We got people doing apostilles and fingerprinting. That's why I said 2025 is the year, people. No more excuses. I meant that when I said that back in January. Why? Because people said, well, training costs too much. I need a mentor. I've checked all the boxes with my new mentor program. $47 per month, check. All of my courses included, 15 plus, loan signing, ink fingerprinting, field inspection, wedding officiant, remote online notary, translation services, I-9, estate package, okay? I literally got you covered. Every single thing you want to learn about this business for $47 per month, plus live weekly mentorship, okay? Live weekly training. In addition to that, I also have the group chat. That's for those that are part of the mentorship. So no more excuses in 2025. If you really want to go next level and you want to build your business, now's the time. Our mentorship is the program. You have to put in the work. I put in the work with you, and your business will grow. It's growing. I have no doubt about it. So let's see who all is doing field inspections. Victoria is not. Victoria, why aren't you doing field inspections? PBL says they are. Denise is. Hey, Denise. Denise is doing field inspections. She's in mentorship. Hey. PBL. Tracy says not. PBL says not doing it anymore. Too dangerous here. Oh, okay. Now safety could be a problem. Hey, Drea. What's up? What's up? How are you? Drea, I didn't hear nothing from you. What's going on with you? What you up to? Yeah, and I understand that. So every area is going to be different. If it's too dangerous for you, it's too dangerous. Okay? So this may not be for you. But if you're in an area where you can even take somebody with you, because most of them don't take but 5 minutes. Literally. So if you're not making $50 in under 30 minutes, you need to be doing field inspections. I'm going to say it again. Okay? And that's a good point that you bring out is safety. So what I would recommend is, do you have a boyfriend, a mother, a father, somebody who could just ride with you to go do the field inspection? Most of the time, all you're doing is taking a few pictures of a property, a few pictures of a car, filling out a quick report. You can do the report later. Okay, sometimes. Now, most of the times, if I'm going to fill out the report later, I really recommend filling it out on the spot when everything is fresh in your eyes, you know.